What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of q with respect to t. Q is sine of t over root t plus 1. So we know sine of x, for example, is going to be cosine x. Sine of u, when u is a function of x, is going to be u prime times cosine u. So in this case, that's going to be t over root t plus 1 derivative times cosine t over root t plus 1. Now the derivative of this one is going to be, derivative of t is going to be 1 times root t plus 1 minus t times derivative of t plus 1, which will be 1 over 2 root t plus 1 divided by root t plus 1 to the power of 2 times cosine t over root t plus 1. Now what we can do here, I'm going to say root t plus 1 minus t over 2 root t plus 1 over square root and 2 cancel out. It's going to be t plus 1 times cosine of t over root t plus 1. And this is going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.